How to fix can't hear calls unless speakerphone is on. Now, if you're only hearing audio whenever you're on a speakerphone and not during calls. Now, there could be various issues behind this, and you could be using an iPhone or you could be using an Android. We're going to run a couple of fixes in this case. Now, whenever you're in a particular call, just try turning up your media volume. Sometimes it could be that the media volume is so low, that is why unless it is turned on to speaker mode, you're not being able to hear it. So make sure that your media volume is set to high. Second thing is just try to toggle Bluetooth, because sometimes you might have a Bluetooth device like a headset connected, and that is why you're facing that particular issue. You want to make sure that none of the Bluetooth devices are connected and simply turn Bluetooth off. Even better option than that. Now you can also try to clean the earpiece, because sometimes dirt or earwax often clogs a small earpiece speaker. You can clean it gently with a soft toothbrush or a compressed air. You can also try to check for any sort of software updates on your device. So you can go to software update, and if there is update available, you can make sure to go ahead and then update it. And once done, you can also try to restart your Android phone as well. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.